Okay, hello. Now from the previous video, this is my second fan that a lot we need a lot to do, lot of work need to do, and there's the capacitor. The old capacitor is here, 1.5. I had 1.5. So which one is the right and the left? So the red one is left and the black one is right. Okay, this is the very easy to see the workflow. So I need to do the first one is spray this with WD-40 from here, and here. Make sure safety first, brother. Always safety first. Unplug the fan. Okay. For the December, I don't create the video because I think it's not suitable for you to follow. Yeah. Now like the shaft is smooth right now because the dust is been removed. Yeah. Apply again. Same goes to here. Yeah, it's now smooth, brother. So time to put singer oil. All purpose singer oil. Okay, this is good enough. Okay, so put the WD and singer oil aside because we don't need it. Now time to change the capacitor. Change the capacitor. As usual, I will use the improper tools like scissor and nail clips. This is the improper tools, okay? Improper tools. We cut here. Just cut that. And just cut it. Okay, goodbye. This is the weak capacitor because the weak one we will throw out. See the left one and the right one. Make sure you remember which one is the left and right. Otherwise it won't work perfect. Okay. Yep. Goodbye. This and this. Okay. Now we can see the copper wire. Okay. So our work is done. All we need to do is don't need the scissor and nail clipper anymore, so we put aside. we need to do is the one last step, one last black tape. Black tape, this is the left, right, left. And this is the right one. Okay, now we good for now. So I need to insert this. Before this, we need to put this back cover because it's very important. Because the blade is like, you know, the iron blade, so it's very dangerous when I need to run this. I need to do it properly. It's not proper setup. So can I test this? Okay. Ooh, man. Very strong thing. Start the head is number one. It's working. It's very, very dangerous. The blade very dangerous. Oh, hell. It's working, but I'm not a perfect guy to do this. You might say I'm failing, but yeah, it's successful failing. Remember, you need this one, signal oil, WD-40, black tape, and capacitor. Okay, the screwdriver you might need, the all-in-one right here, and the scissor. can buy it. You can buy on my link description. Okay, I put there. Okay, bye bye.